Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Question Point. Here we provide MCQ format questions for various competitive exams. Mostly our sessions are based for SSC exams like CGL, MTS, and we also provide for CHSL exam various questions. And in today's video we will be having a practice set which is based on previous year questions, and it is a GK and GS questions practice set. So before starting video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get the update, and you can also practice that practice set so for your better preparation. So before let's get start for today. Question number 1. What will be the size of image formed by concave mirror when an object placed between pole and focus? Same size or enlarged, point sized or diminished? So correct answer for this question will be option number 2, that is enlarged. The image formed by the concave mirror when object is placed between pole and focus, it will be enlarged. So next question. Where was Guru Nanak Dev born? Gurdaspur, Jalalabad, Talwandi or Philor? So correct answer for this question will be option number 3, that is Talwandi. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in Talwandi village. Next question. Which of the following is not an Indian multinational company? Mahindra Group, Unilever, Infosys or Aditya Birla Group? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, Unilever. Unilever is not an Indian MNC. Rest, Mahindra Group, Infosys and Aditya Birla Group, these all three are Indian multinationals. Next question. In which year National Food Security Act passed in India? Option 1, 2011 or 2013, 2009 or 2012. So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is 2013. Food Security Act was passed in India in the year 2013. Next question. In which of the following state Hampi Dance Festival is celebrated? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Telangana? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, Karnataka. Hampi Dance Festival is celebrated in Karnataka state of India. Which state in India has made a rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all houses in the state? Options are Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Odisha. So correct answer for this question will be option number 3, that is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state government has made rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses in the state. Next question. With what combination of paternal chromosomes result in a female? So correct answer for this question will be XX chromosomes. In male case, there are two types of chromosomes, X and Y chromosomes, while in female it has only XX chromosomes. When X and X meet, it becomes XX, then a girl child will be born. When Y and X meet, then a boy is born. So in case of a female child, it will be XX pair, which result in the formation of a female baby. Next question. Who is the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports in India as of June 2019? So it is asking about June 2019, and options are Bijay Gul, Kiran Rijiju, Rajvardhan Singh Rathore, Jitendra Singh. So correct answer for this question is Kiran Rijiju. Next question. Which of the following gas causes rancidity in food product? Oxygen, helium, carbon dioxide or hydrogen? So correct answer is oxygen. Next question. Who among the following is the writer of the novel The Room on the Roof? And options are Ruskin Bond, Khushwant Singh, Manohar Malgonkar or R.K. Narayan. So correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Ruskin Bond. Next question. Which of the following synthetic material is responsible for ozone layer depletion? Methanol, chlorofluorocarbon, polyvinyl chloride or biopolymers? So correct answer for this question will be option number 2, that is chlorofluorocarbon. So the mostly many elements which have chlorine atoms in it, they went in the ozone layer and destroy it. Next question. Arundhati Roy is the recipient of which of the following international award? Raman Magsaysay, Nobel Prize, Pulitzer Prize, or Mans Booker's Prize? So correct answer for this question will be Mans Booker Prize. Arundhati Roy is a writer or author, and she is a recipient of Man Booker Prize. Next question. And kingdom, Monera, Fungi, Protesta, or Animalia? So correct answer for this question will be Protesta. Amoeba belongs to Protista kingdom. Next question. Who is known as Haryana Hurricane? Kapil Dev, Joginder Rao, Virendra Sehwag, or Yuzvendra Chahal? So correct answer for this question will be Kapil Dev. Next question. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon is associated to which of the following ancient cultures? So options are Egyptian, Mesopotamian, or Chinese, or Harappan. So correct answer for this question is Mesopotamia. Babylon's garden, Hanging Garden of Babylon, these are associated with Mesopotamian culture. Next question. Which dynasty had developed the Gandhian school of art in ancient India? Kushana dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Mauryan dynasty, or Chola dynasty? So correct answer for this question will be option number 1, that is Kushana dynasty. Next question. Which of the following motif is present on rupees 2000 rupee note of Indian currency? Mangalyaan, Sachi Stoop, Sun Temple, or Hampi with chariot? So correct answer for this question will be option number 1, that is Mangalyaan. Next question. Who was appointed as Assembly's constitutional advisor in 1946 during the framing of Indian Constitution? And options are B.N. Rao, B.R. Ambedkar, Gopal Swami Iyengar, or K.M. Munshi. So correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is B.N. Rao. B.N. Rao was appointed as Assembly's constitutional advisor in the year 1946 during the framing of Indian Constitution. Next question. With reference of the GI tag in India, which of these following pair is correct? Chanderi Sari of Maharashtra, Aranmula Kannadi of Karnataka, East India Leather of Tamil Nadu, or Kanni Shawl of Gujarat? So your correct option is option number 3, that is East India Leather of Tamil Nadu. It is GI tag for Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which article in Indian Constitution states about fundamental duties? Article 31C, 21A, 15, or 51A? So correct answer is option number 4, that is Article 51A. It tells us about the fundamental duties. What is the name of the captain of Indian men's national hockey team 2019? Hardik Singh, Jaskaran Singh, Sandeep Singh, or Manpreet Singh? So correct answer for this question will be option number 4, that is Manpreet Singh. Manpreet Singh is the name of captain of Indian men's national hockey team 2019. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Allahabad Bank located? Allahabad, Hyderabad, Mumbai, or Calcutta? So correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is Calcutta, Kolkata. Next question. What was the name of Swami Vivekananda's guru? So Raman Maharishi, Paramhans Yogananda, Adi Shankaracharya, or Ramakrishna Paramhans? So correct answer for this question will be Ramakrishna Paramhans. Next question. When was the national anthem adopted in its Hindi version? 24 January 1950, 26 January 1950, 2nd October 1948, or 15 August 1947? So correct answer for this question will be option number 1, that is 24 January 1950. Next question. Guru Ghasidas National Park is located in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, or Bihar? So correct answer is option number 1. Guru Ghasidas National Park is located in Chhattisgarh. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment how many marks have you scored while doing this practice set. If you want the PDF, you can download it from the our Telegram group mentioned in the description. Until we meet next time, keep preparing for your exams. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.